Welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus. This is Braun's latest foil electric shaver and it comes in various versions. All of the latest ones are Series 9 Pro Plus, and then depending on which combination of accessories you choose will determine the actual model number. This particular one is the 9675cc. So you're still going to get the same shaver, but you're going to get different accessories if you choose a different model number. So let's just go through the outside of the box first of all. So we've got 5+1 technology, ultra thin precision blades, perfect closeness and skin protection on any beard density. This particular pack, apart from the shaver, also includes a 6-in-1 smart care center, which charges and cleans the razor. And also we have got a power case, which has got an internal battery in it and will charge the shaver or razor whilst you're out and about. So if you're going traveling, you can pop it in the charge case and it will charge from that internal battery. So we've got 40,000 cutting actions per minute, 10,000 sonic vibrations per minute. We've got contour adaptation, LED performance assistance display, wet and dry use, runtime of 60 minutes on a single charge and a quick charge time of 5 minutes. If we take a look on the back here, I've got some good detail about the particular shaver here. So in this section here, it's telling you about the 5+1 technology. So we've got 2 Optifoil pieces. We've also got a Pro Lift blade. This is this central one, which lifts longer hairs. We've got a 1 direct and cut blade for tricky hairs, and also a skin guard as well for skin protection. And then at the back of the shaver, we've got this precision trimmer as well. The charging case, up to 6 weeks of shaving, mobile charging power case, maximum efficiency, and then we've got this 6-in-1 smart care center. So it's got an auto select program, it cleans, optimizes performance, protects the blade's lifetime, it dries as well, and of course also charges. So that's pretty much it on the features. Let's get this opened and have a look inside. Now don't quote me on this, I'm pretty sure if you register your purchase with Braun, I'm pretty sure you get a 5-year warranty on this. And it's an investment, it's not a cheap shaver by any means. It's pretty expensive. If you buy just the basic kit, then of course you can save quite a lot of money. The basic kit would obviously just consist of the shaver itself, a pouch and a charging cable, I believe. The other kits obviously add these extras on. So when we open this up, we've got a QR code which we can scan for extra warranty. And we've got a couple of sections here, so we will remove these. So we've got the power case, just here, I'm assuming the shaver's actually in here. And then we've got 2 additional boxes. This box here and this box here. And then in the base of the box, we have got some paperwork. So we have got some information about the cleaning station, charging station, and also the main shaver itself. So individual instructions for each. So let's take a look inside each of these. We'll do this one first. This one's got a little power symbol on. So I'm assuming that this will be the cables. It's also got one of the cleaning cartridges as well. These aren't too expensive. I thought they'd be a lot, but it's got like cleaning solution in the bottom. And basically this slots into that clean station. And then apart from charging, it also keeps your shaver in tip-top condition. We also get a cable. I wish this was USB-C, but Braun are still using regular shaving cables. So we've got a 2-pin. This is normal that we get a 2-pin one, even in the UK, 2-pin on this end, and then this end here goes into either the shaver or the charging station. And then we've got the second box, which is going to be the charge and clean station. So let's take a look inside here. Very cool. Love this as well. I've had one of these before on a previous shaver. Does a really good job. Stops bacteria growth in the blades. Really does prolong the overall life of your shaver as well. So We've got a power button on the front. It's got some LED indications as well on there. A little bit of movement on there, so that's okay. And I assume that the cable comes in. Oh, there we go. Cable comes in on this back end here. So very, very cool. And then this section at the bottom is where you're going to put these sort of canisters with the cleaning solution in. So that's your charge station. And then we've got this bag here. So this contains the power case. I was really interested in this because if you are indeed traveling, then obviously you've got the 60 minutes of charging the internal battery, but this will give you up to 6 days of use because this has got an internal battery in as well. There's a little display on here, which is nice. It's a soft touch finish, very, very nice feeling. Connection on this end for the power cable. So to charge this, you use the same power cable or power adapter that you use to plug this in. So you share it between the two. And then when we open this up, oh, that's really nice. I do like that a lot. Does this come out? No, that's just a rubber piece to keep the shaver in place. Got a little button we can press here to show us how much battery is left inside. As you can see, there are 3 lights. We've currently got 1 left in there. We also get a little cleaning brush, and I will sort that out later, but there is a little cleaning brush that is very, very tightly packed in there. And then we've got the shaver itself. Now, I mentioned about all of the 9 Pro Plus series being the same, or the Series 9 I should say, Pro Plus being the same. They are indeed the same, but depending upon which model you choose, you will get a slightly different colour. So there's like a silver, this is like a sort of a grey colour, and then there's also a darker sort of charcoal colour as well. Very, very nice looking, really lightweight. Let's just close this up, pop that up the back there. So it's really nicely weighted, feels very, very comfortable in the hand. We have got, again, another connector on the bottom, so you can use that same power cable for either the cleaning station, the power case, or directly plugged into here. I don't think you can use the shaver whilst it's plugged in and charging. I think you can only use it wirelessly, which is absolutely fine. This back section is nice and grippy. It's got like a rubberized effect. There's a little sort of pip button just here, which you push upwards to extend the trimmer. And this is very sharp. I noticed even when it didn't cut me, but I noticed even when I took it out of the case, it's got a nice sharp Pro trimmer on the top there. You can slide that back down when it's not in use. And then we have also got another switch here. I'm not sure what that does because I haven't read the instructions yet. Main power button here as well. Then we've also got the head. So I believe that it's currently locked into place. Oh, here we go. So that's locked in, that's actually moving. And then this locks it into a particular angle. So we can put it at that angle and again lock it at that particular angle. If I give you a side-on profile. So if I unlock, I can change the angle of the head, and then I can lock it into a certain position. So that restricts the movement of it, or fully unlocked, you're going to get the full movement on the shaver head. And then we've got this really cool technology in the shaver head. I have heard that you can retrofit this new shaver head onto the previous series, and to release the head you've got a little arrows either side, and you simply push those in and that releases the head. And you can see all of the blades are in the head here. There's none left behind. Some shavers leave a couple or the actual cutting blades inside the shaver, and then you have to change those individually. But with this, all of the blades are in this shaving head, and then you simply clip it back on like so. And you'll see you've got the blade lifter, the actual foils here. There's a little bar at the back here. It's going to give a really close shave. Okay, so we're going to turn this on just so you can hear the shaver running, and you do that simply by pushing the button on the front, of course. So it's quite loud during use, but not Not any louder than other shavers really, I don't think. We've also got some indicators here as well, showing the battery life. Not sure what this top indicator is at this stage. And then to turn off, simply the same button, and the display remains on to show the battery charge remaining. And again, I'm assuming that other indicator is the blade or blade head life. That's what I'm assuming it is. But a really nice feeling shaver. This promises to give a really close and comfortable shave. It's the very latest Series 9 Pro Plus from Braun, and it's well worth checking out. If indeed you want to purchase one of these for yourself, then please do check out the links down in the video description. I want to thank you all for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. Please do hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one very, very soon.